So hi guys, it's Veronica here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beginner friendly sheer curtains within 10 minutes. You need about 5 yards of the sheer cotton fabric cut into two. You can get more, the more the better. It has more gathers. You need matching thread and your tape. First, we have to hem the raw edges of the fabric, which is the side I'm showing you now. The other side has a finished edge from the manufacturer called the self edge. That part is scallops, so it doesn't fray and doesn't need to be hemmed. Take to your sewing machine and fold in twice like you see me do on a 0.5 or half-inch sewing allowance. So just sew it down on all sides with that raw edge. This is how the raw edges will look after hemming. Cotton fabrics, especially sheer fabrics, usually come very long, and we don't have to cut out any excess length. You just have to measure your desired length for your own cotton. Fold the excess, then you pin the folded part in place. No need to cut off the excess fabric, just fold it. Can you see mine as it is folded and pinned in place? Now, to create a channel for our cotton rod or rope when installing the cotton, we are going to sew a straight stitch 3 inches down from the fold or the folded part all the way to the end. This will contain either a cotton rod or rope depending on what you prefer. This is how it looks like after creating the channel. So we are done making this cotton. This is my cotton after installing. I installed it with a rope. So leave your comments down in the comment section if it's something you would like to try, and if you have used my method and it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.